Hi, this is Rob McCarthy with SkipperBud's at Belmar Harbor and McRae Harbor in Harrison Township, Michigan. Today we're going to take a quick look at this 2022 Regal 36 Grand Coupe. As you can see, the boat's still under shrink wrap, but we'll be uncovering it soon. Here on the aft deck, these seats have more moves than a Swiss Army knife. That whole ultra lounge bench moves fore and aft. You can put down the backrest and make it into a sun pad. There's storage underneath this seat in a lounge position. Heading in here into the cabin, there's storage underneath this bench. This seat obviously has forward position and back position, and you can change the height on this seat. At the helm, we've got full bolster, double wide helm seat. This board can go up or down. It's in the up position right now if you need a little bit better view over the windshield and the helm. Dual Garmins, of course Volvo power, and the Volvo IPS joystick runs your stern drives, Bennett trim tabs, Fusion stereo. There's excellent access, safe access up to the bow to get to the bow seating area. There's also a manual sunshade that goes out over the bow. One thing I really like about this is the sliding windshield. When windshield openings like that are hinged, they can really catch the wind when you open it. And this feels much more safe to open and close. And then here, in the coupe style that everybody likes, this window goes down electronically. Then you can open up both doors for wide open access to the cockpit. But before we go today, got to take you down into the cabin. There's a nice sized pedestal berth, storage underneath, storage here, very generous hanging locker, TV on this bulkhead, very nice size, spacious head with a separate stall shower, beautiful vessel sink. On the port side, there's a microwave that'll complement the galley and the grill up above. Power distribution panel. Nice size mid cabin with its own TV that of course converts to a berth. Here in the salon, you'll see there's dual refrigerators, drawer style, plenty of storage, nice size sink, single burner stove, trash receptacle here, the grill along with the hood is out here in the cockpit, and another view around the cockpit. Again, the boat's listed with SkipperBud's at Belmar Harbor and McRae Harbor. My name is Rob McCarthy. I am the listing broker. Give us a call.